Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edward Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to remove web extensions or add-ons in the Microsoft Edge web browser. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Microsoft Edge web browser. And then select the menu icon at the top right corner of the browser windows. Click mo lang tong tatlong dot, and then select mo lang dito yung extensions. And then pop up ito yung Microsoft extensions kung paano ba mag-remove dito. I-click mo lang tong tatlong dot. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung remove from the Microsoft Edge. So i-click mo lang ito. Alright, and the other options naman na pwede natin gawin ay i-click mo lang tong manage extensions. And then madadirect tayo dito sa install extensions. Alright, so dito sa ating mga installed extensions kung paano ba ito i-remove, makikita mo dito yung details and then yung remove. So i-click mo lang tong remove and then select mo lang tong remove. And then ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan, makikita mo dito na extensions remove. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.